Hello everyone, this is about Milestone Report 1 for my pet management website. Today I'll talk about my website and walk through Milestone Report 1. So the first one I have to show my chart, which is this one. I have been completed week 0, week 1, and week 2, and there are two notes for JWT for login. I use session, which is easier for me to use it based on my implementation. And for this, I use my SQL because I use Heroku and it's easy to use with Heroku, my SQL, and it's easy to just connect all the username and everything else. So this is about the proposal. I review my proposal, completed all my environment and GitHub repository, and I pushed my code that I'm going to talk about now. And the rest it's about npm installation I have been completed and for authentication and login password. So let's go to the code. For the code, I have I have three important parts to mention. The first one is about config database. All my query has been successfully connected to the database based on .nv env that I have the information for my database. And the second one, it's about password hashing, which is most important for users to password hashing their password. And the third one, it's about email exists or not when user wants to register. If the email already exists, it will gives the error that this email already has been registered. Otherwise, it gives the opportunity to register and checking login credential matches to the information the database I have, and then it will let the user log in. And I use the question placeholders for all my database query for SQL injection protection. This is so important as well. And and this is my database and this will send the verification to the user after they register. And then this is the module for next milestone. I will talk about it. So this is the footer and header, and I have some view, landing, login, and register, and dashboard page. And then there are like some error. If something happen, it will give the error. So .env I already talked about. It will ignore the dot module because it's too large, and ignore .env because this is for security reason, because all the information for database hub will be finding here. And for server JavaScript, this is the place all we know. It's for creating the website and from one page to another page using the route that I have the auth routes that I have already talked about, and and checking if the user is gonna be if this my SQL will be connected or not. Let's this is about the code. So showing the code. Let's on my website. So this is gonna be telling me this is the connection has been successfully and release number as well as, and it gives me the link for my website. So basically, before talking about the website, it's my database. I have some tables, users for user information and task for photo and for album, the page for creating a new page, and health tracker for adding health for each page, and community posts for getting advice from other users. And if you post, you will get a comment from other users. It will be retrieved here. So, and the task, it's for adding task for each page. So this is for landing page. Your user will see it before create account or login. As usual, this is easy, and I made some accessibility for the question and to easy to read because they can close it always. So this is the footer, nice footer, and I have some header. Each one works for each one, and the all one it's gonna be work. So I wanna check if I made a user that already will be created before, it will gives me email already in use. So let's check if the registration place will pass or fail. This is gonna be testing if there's nothing, no input. So if we put like just username, it will give us the error. If I put this one, but the password just 123, it gives me password is just 3. It should be 8. If I put 7, it tells me still doesn't work. I have to put 8, but I want to check the email first. So it tells me this is not valid. I have to have gmail.com. But if I put this one, it still doesn't work. It's because it's no valid email. And I have to put .com. And this password, I just want to make sure I have the correct password and create account successfully. So if I go back to here and refresh it, I will get the email. This is the sending verification email. So if I verify and go back to here and run it, it will create the username. And it's verified and the password will be hashed. Okay, that's good. So if I log in, let's check this one too. Same testing and fail for pass or fail. This is gonna be good. If I put correct one, just this one, and the password nothing there, it tells me please put the correct password. Just finish. So this is correct password. If I put it or wrong password, it tells me this is wrong password. If I put correct password, it will go inside the web page. Inside the web page, we have dashboard, adding pet and add task, and community and health. And this is the profile I will create it for next milestone. And this is next milestone. I will activate this one to dark theme or white theme. This is welcome Ali. This is a new user. And this is the dashboard and privacy. This is the email that I will create later. And log out. I don't need anything else. The forget password works fine. If I check without this one, tells me please put the correct one. If I put this one, it will tell me this email is not valid. But if I put the correct one, and check again. So if I check this one, it tells me please reset your password. So and this one, if I wrong password 123, tells me it's not correct. If I put nothing, it tells me please put something on it. And if I want to reset the password, and if I want to use old password, tells me wrong password. If I use the correct password, tells me this is correct, and you can log in now. And that's about and something about SendGrid. This is a SendGrid. So before SendGrid, this is here code for deploying my website, and this is already has been uh, created and connected to my SQL, as you can see, already has been created and deploy. I can deploy anytime I want and everything activity. So I deployed many times, but it's not ready yet. So this is my SendGrid. So, and this is the API that I created for my sending verification email, and this is for GoDaddy. When I send email to anyone, it doesn't goes to bad email, so it will goes to the inbox right away. As you can see, this is from no reply, and that's all about. And thank you for watching this video.